Bleibst du so?
Dann machen wir das Strandurlaub, oder? Nee, oben reicht. Oben reicht?
arrived on yet another on-time flight. Until next time, thank you once again for flying Ryanair, Europe's #1 airline for low fares, on-time flights and great care. We look forward to welcoming you on board again very soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to welcome you to Memmingen Airport, where the local time is approaching to 25 minutes to 3 p.m. Actually, 5 minutes ahead schedule landing time. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign for you. Take care when opening the overhead lockers, as part of your carry-on luggage might be dislodged when landing and fall out, causing injuries. For those passengers who smoke, refrain from doing so until you will reach the designated area outside the terminal building. You may now use your portable electronic devices, our laptops, and larger electronic devices must remain stored. Finally, on behalf of our captain, first officer, but especially the entire crew in the cabin on today's flight, we thank you for choosing to fly with us. It's been a pleasure to take care of you on today's flight, and we are looking forward to seeing you soon in any other Ryanair scheduled flight. Once again, thank you and have have a lovely stay in Memmingen or in the local area.
Mein Handy muss ich erstmal aktivieren. Seine berechtigte
Good, thank you. We're still on cross-check, please, gentlemen. Welcome to Memmingen.